My name is Natalie Smith, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Health Policy and Management. My goal is to prevent cancer and chronic disease through policy change, and one of the big ways that I think about doing that is improving how we actually implement policies that we already have in place. Right now I'm doing this a lot with tobacco control. So for example, how do we better implement policies that restrict the sale of tobacco to kids under the age of 21? How do we get retailers to stop selling to underage kids and better prevent kids from initiating tobacco use and leading to long-term outcomes like cancer? Being early in my career, it's been most exciting to kind of start seeing people cite the work that I've done, especially some of the more methodological work that I've done, which is really writing papers about how people could do their own research better. I've written some about kind of how we can think about and study and measure policy implementation, and so it's been rewarding to kind of see people start to pick that up, incorporate it into their own policy evaluation work, and take my thoughts and use it to improve their own research. My advice is that I needed to hear in grad school was to not lose yourself in grad school. You are obviously a student, and that's a really important thing that you're doing, but you also are a whole person beyond a student, and I think it's important to try to keep the balance of both of those things while you go through grad school, which is certainly a really busy time and can feel really overwhelming. I was able to immediately start talking to other people about my research interests, what kind of collaborations we might want to undertake, and it's been unique in that perspective in that I really don't feel like I'm competing with anyone. I really feel like it's collaborative, and I think that extends through to both doctoral and master's students. Everyone really wants to see everyone succeed, and there's not kind of unhealthy competition across faculty, students, and things like that.